Hello guys. Oh, today I'm using my excellent thing. I'm using a headset. Can you tell? Okay. Time to get out the thing that I want to show you in this video. My floppy disks. First of all, is this. It's not floppy. This one, high density, you can tell by the HD label. Focus. Okay. Next up is this boy. Micro diskette. 2S2D. Interesting. Nice. Next up. Up 1 second. An actually floppy disk. Ooh. And one which all of them are so brittle that it won't work well. Dang it. And then, oh boy, it's time for the big boy. It's very floppy. Tell it's very floppy. Okay, bye.